Why are you doing that?
Dad, are those kites?
Yeah.
Anak, buta ka ni pacifier ni baby.
Pacifier. Dad. He's cute. Whoa.
I'm filming. I'm filming. I said I'm filming. I'm not
Filming?
taking a picture. Kuya pango. Mommy pango. Anak, go put his pacifier again.
Peyton, have this one.
Yeah, wrong way.
Yeah, that way.
Where is it?
Peyton didn't have his socks. My name is Peyton.
And then my cheeks are wrong.
My name is Peyton.
I don't like overload.
His name is Peyton.
And he is so cute.
His name is Peyton.
He wants to take the food.
Oh no, not now, Dad. That is so embarrassing. Yeah, I'm not gonna poop in here. I'll wait till we get home. Right, Peyton? Yeah.
You think we can leave here and I can go to my appointment?
Yours is the clinic, the family clinic. Oh, you know, they're open until like 7. Or even like,
You want me to drop you off?
huh?
That's what you're saying, I'll drop you off.
No, I mean, it's better if like right now you can explain everything. And tell them like, you know, he got sick the other day.